Hi, I'm Paul DiComo. I'm Product Development Czar here at Definitive Technology, and we're here today to talk about what some people call passive radiators, but what we call bass radiators. And we call them that because that's what they do. They radiate bass. Now, you may know that most Definitive Technology loudspeakers use bass radiators, but you may not know why we use them. You may not be familiar with the technology, how it works, why it works. So we're going to do a demonstration today to show you exactly that, how and why they work, and why they're extremely effective at making really, really good bass. Now, in this model, my hand represents the active driver. That's the driver with the voice coil and the magnet, and the amplifier sends current through it and makes it move. The spring here is the air pressure inside the sealed enclosure, and the light bulb is the bass radiator. Now I'm going to move my hand at a high frequency, and let's see what happens. All right, moving at a high frequency. Well, there's a little jiggling here because this is, an imperfect model, but basically that bass radiator doesn't move much at all. Now here, I've lowered the frequency. Now we're in the bass region, and look what's happening. A very small amount of movement of my hand produces a tremendous amount of movement on the part of the light bulb. All right, see that all happening? And we'll go back to the high frequency. It doesn't move much. Lower frequency moves a ton. All right, so what this means is that we've got a very highly efficient acoustical system where a very small amount of energy in the active driver produces a tremendous amount of excursion or movement in the bass radiator. So that's the technology behind bass radiators. They give you better bass more efficiently with lower distortion. And of course, that's a great thing. And you're going to find them in Definitive Technology loudspeakers. Thanks for watching.